What if a simple packing error or booking blunder costs you hundreds and ruined your vacation vibes? Stick around as I reveal the top 15 cruise mistakes even smart travelers make and how to dodge them for the ultimate getaway. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we spill all the tea on turning your travels into triumphs. If you're gearing up for your first cruise or your 50th, these blunders can sneak up on anyone. We're doing this countdown style, from number 15 to the absolute worst at number 1. Each one comes with why it's a regret and a quick fix. Let's get into it. Number 15. Not downloading the cruise app or boarding pass ahead of time. This is forgetting to grab your digital docs from the cruise line's app before embarkation day. Why regret it? Lines get chaotic, Wi-Fi might be spotty, and you could waste hours fumbling with your phone while everyone else boards. Pro tip, download everything a week early, saves time and sanity. Number 14. Booking a guaranteed or surprise cabin. You pick a category and let the cruise line assign your room last minute for a discount. Sounds thrifty, but regret hits when you end up with a noisy spot under the pool deck or no view at all. Always splurge a bit to choose your exact location for peace of mind. Number 13. Losing track of ship time versus port time zones. Cruises often run on ship time, which might differ from local ports. Miss this and you'll regret showing up late for excursions or even missing the ship, stranding you in a foreign country. Set alarms and double-check announcements to stay synced. Number 12. Not understanding visa requirements for ports. Assuming your passport covers everything, you skip checking visas for stops like Turkey or Australia. Regret? Denied entry at port, missing out on adventures or fines. Research each destination's rules months in advance. Use sites like the State Department for accuracy. Number 11. Missing out on booking promos and deals early. Waiting too long for sales means paying full price while others snag upgrades. You'll regret the extra cash spent when you see better rooms go cheap. Hunt for deals right after booking opens and sign up for cruise line newsletters for flash sales. Number 10. Not budgeting for hidden fees like gratuities and drinks. You think all-inclusive means everything, but gratuities, specialty dining, and booze add up fast, sometimes $500 plus per person. Regret the shock at checkout ruining your post-cruise glow. Factor in 15 to 20% extra in your budget and prepay where possible. Number 8. Forgetting to buy travel insurance. Skipping this to save a few bucks leaves you exposed to medical emergencies or trip cancellations. One regretful story, a broken ankle at sea cost thousands without coverage. Always get a policy covering cruises specifically. It's cheap peace of mind. Number 8. Not researching ports independently. Relying solely on cruise info means missing authentic experiences. You'll regret overpriced tourist traps when locals offer better, cheaper options. Use apps like TripAdvisor or Reddit for DIY tours that save money and amp up the fun. Number 7. Booking only cruise line excursions. These official tours are convenient but often double the price of independence. Regret the crowds and rigid schedules when you could explore freely. Book third-party ones with good reviews. Many guarantee you'll make it back to the ship on time. Number 6. Taking the elevators everywhere instead of stairs. On busy ships, elevators are slow and packed, wasting precious vacation time. You'll regret missing out on quick deck hops or even burning off those buffet calories. Use stairs for quicker movement and the mini workout. Your legs will thank you. Number 5. Eating at the buffet on embarkation day. The main buffet is a madhouse right after boarding. Long lines, no seats, total chaos. Regret starting your trip stressed when quieter spots like the pool grill are open. Head there first for a chill meal and beat the rush. Number 4. Not washing hands frequently or ignoring health protocols. Cruises are germ hotspots. Skipping sanitizers leads to norovirus or colds ruining your week. You'll deeply regret bedridden days when simple habits could prevent it. Wash up before every meal and use stations everywhere. Stay healthy, stay happy. Number 3. Overpacking your suitcase. Stuffing in just-in-case outfits means lugging heavy bags and paying airline fees. Regret the hassle when ships have laundry and you barely wear half. Pack versatile layers, roll clothes, and limit shoes. Light and smart is the way. Number 2. Arriving or flying in on the day of departure. Last-minute travel risks delays from weather or traffic, potentially missing the ship. The regret? Watching your cruise sail away while you're stuck paying for hotels and rebooking. Always arrive a day early. Turn it into a mini pre-cruise vacay. And number one mistake you'll regret forever is booking the wrong cruise line for your style. Picking a party ship like Carnival when you crave quiet luxury or vice versa mismatches your vibe. Regret every awkward moment when you could be thriving. Research lines, Royal for families, Viking for culture, and read reviews to match your perfect sail. Whew, that's our rundown of the 15 cruise mistakes that can turn paradise into a headache, but now you're armed to avoid them all. Remember, a little prep goes a long way to making your voyage unforgettable for the right reasons. If this saved you from a blunder, smash that like button, share with your cruise crew, and comment below. What's your biggest cruise regret? Subscribe and hit the bell for more tips, hacks, and secrets. Check out our video on hidden cruise spots next. Safe sailing, friends. See you on the waves.